you have to go back. Otherwise I could have nicely we could have celebrated Diwali here, but that's okay. So we will have some katha today. There is no chanting session because it will take 10-15 minutes, so kids can all go to the kids class of Diwali in the past class. So today we will see something that we have not discussed till now, and that is the Damodar Leela. You see, every day we are offering this offering prayers, Damodar Ashtakam prayers to our Yashoda Damodar photo is here, right? So we are offering our prayers. So, but what is this Leela happened? Some of you may know, but for all those who don't know, no, we will just go through it today in a very fast-paced mode, and then hopefully we will understand. Okay, 10-15 minutes, and then we will start with our Damodar Ashtakam. So I request all of the participants to please come ahead so that people who are coming from behind can also get space to sit. Okay, थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ सब लोग. So as we all know, Bal Gopal Krishna, he was in Vrindavan. He did his childhood. Krishna did his childhood pastimes in Vrindavan. प्रभु जी इधर बैठेंगे तो दिखेगा इसमें क्या है. इधर बैठेंगे ना तो टीवी पे दिख जाएगा क्या है. दोनों आप इधर आ सकते हो, जगह है इधर, सोफा पे जगह है, आप दोनों भी आ सकते हैं यहाँ पे. हाँ, so that you can see what's on the screen, and that way it will have some nice pictures, so you will have some idea. And so teens can keep on sitting in this class only, no teenagers class today. Today I will create havoc, but that havoc was very, very dear to all the Vrajavasis. Vrajavasis are those glorious people who are born in Vrindavan. And one minute, I'll just change the mic. This pastime they used to do is steal dahi, butter, makhan, सब चोरी करते थे. कहाँ से चोरी करते थे? आजू बाजू के गोपियों के घर में जाके चोरी करते थे, कृष्ण बलराम. So they used to steal this makhan and from the gopis' house everywhere. And all the gopis used to come to Ma Yashoda and complain कि तुम्हारा कृष्ण और ये बलराम है ना हमारे घर में आके चोरी करके चले गए. क्या चोरी किया? तो माखन चुरा के लेके गए. So they used to come and seriously complain to Ma Yashoda, and Yashoda was like कि हमारे घर में है ही नहीं क्या, इतना सारा माखन और सब कुछ है, तुम क्या बोलते हो चोरी करके गए. So Yashoda Ma always defended Krishna in that sense, and he was like, no, I have so many cows here and we have so much of milk, dahi, makhan. So I don't think Krishna is doing any of this. And then she will call Krishna and she will confess in front of him. देखो ये क्या बोल रहा है, बताओ तुमने किया चोरी? And Krishna, नहीं, मैंने नहीं किया कभी. So it was like this pastimes. It was happening. So, but then she had a doubt that maybe something is true, and all these gopis they are coming and they are saying all of this. So Krishna used to do all these pastimes here in Vraja this way, along with his Gopa friends. And so please come ahead, yeah, and the kids can go to the kids class, and the others can stay here, those who are coming later. And Krishna used to also, this is Nanda Baba here in a pictorial form with Ma Yashoda, and Krishna used to actually carry Nanda Baba's chappals on his shoes on his head. Can you imagine how glorious Nanda Baba and Ma Yashoda may be, that Krishna is doing pastime with his friends. And so all the gopas and even the monkeys were involved, and everything was so nice there in Braja. So now this Nanda Baba, so Krishna's main pastime was to take care of the cows. Krishna is a cowherd boy. So cows are very dear to Krishna. So Krishna and Balram would take all the cows and go for take the cows to the forest for grazing, and then they would come back and things like that. But what we are discussing now is an earlier pastime of Krishna where he was very, very small and he used to go around here and there and steal butter here and there. So Nanda Baba was the king of Vraja. So he had 900,000 cows. कितना? 9 लाख के ऊपर गायें थी. थोड़ा थोड़ा आगे आ जाना, पीछे बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं. थोड़ा आप आगे आ जाओ बेटा, आगे आ जाओ. और आगे आ जाओ, नहीं तो लोग पीछे पीछे उधर कोने कोने में भागेंगे, उनको कुछ नहीं दिखेगा यहाँ से। देखो ए भाई, टीवी इधर है, इधर कुछ दिखा रहा हूँ, उधर बैठेंगे तो आपको कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आएगा। 10 मिनट का ही कथा है, इस साइड आ जाओ सब लोग, आगे आगे। सो शी हैड ऑल ऑफ दिस प्रोसेस इन हर माइंड, एंड सो शी engaged all her servants to go somewhere else, and she was specially taking care of this activity here. So so she was so these are Padma Gandha cows. I was trying to show it to you. So on that Diwali day, Mother Yashoda got very early. Okay, she got up very early, and she was doing this churning of the yogurt to do makhan, to do ghee, makhan, and various other things. And while so she was churning, and she was singing beautiful songs of Krishna only. And then Krishna was in the neighboring room, and he was sleeping there. And suddenly Krishna woke up hearing the songs, and then he came, and he was also very hungry. So he came to Ma Yashoda, and he caught hold of her from behind, and he caught hold of that churning rod only. He said, okay, now stop churning and feed me, kind of a thing. So Yashoda Ma she immediately stopped, and she started feeding Krishna her milk. Okay, so now Krishna was drinking milk, and in the background in the kitchen, Ma Yashoda had kept a big pot of Padmagandha milk to boil. So that was in the background, it was for slow boiling, it was kept, and the milk slowly it came up, and it was about to overflow. And Yashoda saw this, that the milk, Padmagandha milk, is about to overflow, and Krishna is on her lap, and he is drinking milk. And generally when a mother is feeding a baby, then no matter whoever calls, the mother will not listen to them. So तुम लोग सब बाद में देखेंगे तुमको, है ना, अभी मेरा बच्चा दूध पी रहा है, right? So Yashoda Ma was in a different mood here, because she wanted to take care of that milk, because that milk was to be used to make butter for Krishna only. Somewhere in her mind she had a thought कि है ना, ये स्पेशल बटर मैं बनाऊंगी कृष्णा के लिए, so that कृष्णा इधर उधर भागेगा नहीं, इधर उधर चोरी नहीं करेगा आजू बाजू से जाके. So that was her mood. And so the moment she saw that milk is about to flow over, immediately she kept Krishna down and she भाग गई किचन की तरफ. And then Krishna, when you do such a thing to a baby, then the baby gets very angry, especially if the baby is in the middle of the milk drinking process. So Krishna obviously was very angry. Krishna said, I am the Lord of the Lord, and you are not giving me any priority. You are giving priority to the milk. And so he became very angry. And what he did, when Ma Yashoda went into the kitchen, there was a pot hanging upstairs with curd and something, So he took a stone and he threw it and he broke the pot, and all the curd fell down. The milk, there were some milk pots also, so they fell down. So then he went to a neighboring room, and from there also he saw one pots were kept up, because the babies were doing so much mischief, so all the pots were hanged up so that they were out of reach of babies. So Krishna, then he saw a wooden grinding mortar, और मसाले कूटने का होता है ना, तो उसके ऊपर खड़ा हो गया वो, और उसने उसके ऊपर से तोड़ दिया उसको. There is a photo that I showed earlier, like this is like a wooden grinding mortar. So he went on top and he broke. Now all this time Krishna was alone, and what he did was he also called the monkeys around, and from that pot whatever curd fell down he also distributed to the monkeys. सब ये monkeys को भी उसने, सब बंदरों को भी उसने वो सब कर्ड खिलाया. दही वगैरह माखन चोरी जो किया था सब बंदरों को भी खिला दिया. Now here what happened, now Ma Yashoda is back. She finished her business with the kitchen and she came back, और देखा यहाँ पे सब दूध दही माखन सब गिर गया है, और उससे समझ गई कि ये किसने किया है, कृष्णा ने किया, कोई और था ही नहीं वहाँ पे. और कृष्णा के छोटे छोटे जो पैरों के प्रिंट्स है, they were all going to the neighboring room. So she immediately got कि ये तो बाजू के रूम में भी गया है. So she followed the footprints and she went to the next room, and there also she saw everything is there. Then she again followed the footprints and she saw Krishna is sitting up, and he is sitting outside with all the monkeys. and the monkeys were looking here and then. Krishna was also looking here and there with the fear of माँ यशोदा. बहुत डर गया था वो कि अभी ये तो मुझे मार पड़ने वाला है. So he was there, and माँ यशोदा somehow she went and she was very angry on him actually. So she found a stick, and with a stick छड़ी लेके, ये सब दिवाली के दिन हुआ. So today is the best auspicious day to listen to this katha. So she went behind Krishna with a stick, and the moment the monkeys first saw, and they screamed. Monkey ने अपना आवाज किया और कृष्णा को भी बता दिया. Monkeys fled away, ran away, and then Krishna also heard the sound and he immediately ran. And then so he ran into that Nanda Bhavan के gardens में भागते गया. And then माँ यशोदा is running behind Krishna and Krishna is running ahead. And Yashoda Ma was a very elderly lady, elderly gopi. She was around 80 plus at that time when Krishna was born. ऐसा नहीं कि young है और ऐसा. तो so she was running fast and Krishna was also running fast and she could not catch Krishna. Krishna is running, Ma Yashoda is running, and this pastime is happening. All the other monkeys are watching and other gopas, everybody is also watching. And then what happened? Somehow she catches hold of Krishna, and when she catches hold of Krishna and Krishna is very very scared, very very scared. And हाथ में stick भी है. And when she catches, Krishna is so scared that she says, sorry, I did it, but I will not do it again. He confesses and says, can you please keep that stick away? I am scared of the stick. So our acharyas explain that Krishna is the Lord of all, everything. And the fear personified is scared of Krishna, but here Krishna is scared. Krishna is scared of whom? Krishna is scared of his devotees in one sense. Krishna respects his devotees. Krishna need not be scared of anything actually. But here he is really scared of his devotees because the devotees should not go away from him. He doesn't want to devotees को दुख नहीं पहुंचाना चाह रहा है वो. So he is really scared in this, and he tells Mother Yashoda, can you please keep the stick away? And she also genuinely keeps the stick away, saying she is so scared that he will do something else if I don't keep the stick away. So then she understands Krishna's mood. भाई कि इसको छोड़ दिया ऐसे तो और भी नुकसान करेगा. He will further break pots. So she binds him to a mortar here. वहाँ पे जो उखल है उसको बोलते हैं उखल, वुडन ग्राइंडिंग मोटर टू ग्राइंड स्पाइसेस एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. वो उखल को बांध देती है, उसको बांधने का कोशिश करती है. शी इज नाउ ट्राइंग टू बाइंड हिम. रस्सी लेके, कौन सा रस्सी? She is taking a rope, and the rope is the ones used for the cows, to tie cows or to take cows from one place to another. को वैसा rope को लेके bind करने का कोशिश कर रही है. Now what happens? There is a leela that happens. Every time she tries to bind him and गांठ मारने जाती है, तो it is said that the rope falls short. It is said that the rope falls 2 fingers short. हमेशा कम होता है. Then she says, okay, she gets some more rope. She tells other gopis from her, other servants from her house, go and get some more rope. And so they are getting this rope, and every time she tries to bind the final knot, it is short. लीला चल रहा है, and she is extremely tired. बहुत tired हो गई और ये knot बांध रही है और कृष्णा बंधा ही नहीं जा रहा है. And this is happening. All the gopis from neighboring houses, they also come. By now the word has spread everywhere. Mother Yashoda is trying to bind Krishna और बन नहीं रहा है वो. So many things are happening. Other gopas, everyone is watching and things like that. So eventually, and she is very very tired, perspiring, and eventually then Krishna gives and says, okay, bando, I am ready to be bounded. And that's when the rope, she finally is able to bind Krishna. So here what our acharyas explain, because this is a very deep subject, but we will just touch base quickly on some points, so that we understand the mood of this Damodar Leela. Our acharyas explain that Mother Yashoda faced three major things in her attempt to bind Krishna. One was exhaustion. She was very very tired. Another was failure to actually accomplish the task, because this लीला had started in the morning. सुबह चालू किया था और जब तक उसको बांधा शाम हो गई थी, इतना टाइम गया था. So and then criticism, फेलियर, एग्जॉशन एंड क्रिटिसिज्म. क्रिटिसिज्म फ्रॉम होम? फ्रॉम अदर गोपीज. की क्या तुमको बांधने को नहीं हो रहा है उसको, तुम थक जाओगे आज, तो क्रिटिसिज्म ऐसे. बट इवेंचुअली कृष्णा अलाउज हर and eventually she succeeds in her task. Even in bhakti, when we do certain things, then when we take up the process of bhakti, तो भक्ति करते हैं तो हमारे को भी एग्जॉशन हो जाता है. सुबह सुबह हर रोज मंगल आना है, भक्ति करना है, एग्जॉशन, थक जाते हैं हम लोग. फेलियर भी हो जाता है कभी कभी. वी वांट टू डू सर्टन थिंग्स बट हम अकम्प्लिश नहीं कर पाते. There are so many tasks that we want to do in bhakti, but we are not able to accomplish for one or the other reason. And then there are criticism from other people also. क्या what you have taken the bhakti in such an early age? अभी तो मजा करने का टाइम है, क्या तुम लोग कृष्णा कृष्णा करते रहते हो? देखो आज दिवाली है, आज क्या करेंगे लोग? जुआ खेलेंगे. महालक्ष्मी और गणेश जी का जल्दी जल्दी पूजा करेंगे और फिर बोलेंगे फिर जुआ खेलेंगे. और जुआ में तो क्या मेंटेलिटी रहेगा? माँ लक्ष्मी ऐसे जुए वालों को पैसे देगी क्या? सोचो, अपने दिल पे हाथ रख के सोचो. ऐसे लोगों को पैसा नहीं मिलेगा, और आया फिर भी बीमारी और इसमें चले जाएगा. सो फेलियर, क्रिटिसिज्म, एग्जॉशन, दिस विल ऑल हैपन इन आवर प्रोसेस ऑफ भक्ति. बट इफ वी परसिस्ट द वे मदर यशोदा परसिस्टेड, शी कंटिन्यूड टू स्ट्राइव टू बाइंड कृष्णा, देन इवेंचुअली द लॉर्ड विल गिव हिम. फिर भगवान कृपा कर देते हैं, और जब भगवान की कृपा हो जाती है तो बहुत आनंद आ जाता है जीवन में. तो हमें कृपा अभिलाषी होना चाहिए. हमें अपना पूरा स्ट्रगल, हमें पूरा एफर्ट, वी मस्ट पुट आवर फुल एफर्ट एंड वी मस्ट नॉट बी, हमें निराश नहीं होना चाहिए. वी मस्ट नॉट गिव अवे. वी मस्ट फॉलो द पाथ गिवन बाय आवर डियर Srila Prabhupada. He has given a nice path for all of us. He has chalked a nice timetable right from Mangala Arati till the Shayana Arati. So we must follow that. So eventually Krishna is bounded, and then so she goes for other work. Ma Yashoda goes away for other work and she binds. And then Krishna, what he sees, so there are quite a few things happening. उसके friends आते हैं, उसको चिल्लाते, तेरे को बांध के रखा ये वो. And Krishna says, can you leave me? एंड अदर फ्रेंड्स नहीं, माँ यशोदा हमको भी मारेगी, हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे. इवन बलराम कम्स देयर एंड हु बाउंडेड कृष्णा, दिस दैट, ही ऑल्सो गेट्स फ्यूरियस एंड माँ यशोदा जस्ट शोज हिम अ स्टिक, तुझे भी पड़ेगी, भाग गया यहाँ से. एंड बलराम इज लाइक, ओ गॉड, आई एम अ शेषनाग, आई एम अनंत शेष, आई कंट्रोल एवरीथिंग एंड लुक एट दिस, नाउ शी इज कंट्रोलिंग मी. सो इवन ही इज स्कैर्ड, नो वन टॉक्स एनीथिंग. So now what happens, in that same angan, in that same courtyard, there are two big trees, huge trees. So these two huge trees, Krishna sees those trees and he remembers Narad Muni. नारद मुनि का ध्यान आ जाता है कृष्ण को. ये दो बड़े बड़े पेड़ देख के, नंद बाबा के आंगन में ऐसे पेड़ है. So there is a quick story to this. So once upon a time in the heavenly planets, there were these two sons of Kuber. कुबेर कौन है? कुबेर भगवान, कुबेर देवताओं का खजीनदार है, is the treasurer of the demigods. So Kuber has two sons. Who knows the two sons names? हाँ बोलो. Nalakuber and Manigriva. So Kuber had two sons, Nalakuber and Manigriva. Yes. So and Kuber is, so these sons are born in a very wealthy family. They were extremely good looking and they had everything that one could desire of. So once you are born in a wealthy family and you have a great personality, then what comes? Pride comes. So these of Kuber, they were away from bhakti. They were enjoying their life as if there is no tomorrow. There is so much of wealth. So they were enjoying in a heavenly lake, in the heavenly planets, and they were enjoying with some apsaras there. And during this time, Narad Muni happened to come there. And every time Narad Muni passes by, there has to be a kand. होना चाहिए. There has to be some issue happening. But wherever Narad Muni is there, one will meet the Lord. So नारद मुनि देखते हैं. तो नारद मुनि को जैसे ही देखते, जो लेडीज होती है, जो अप्सराएं होती है, दे इमीडिएटली कवर देमसेल्व्स अप. दे कम आउट ऑफ द कुंड immediately cover themselves up and with awe and reverence they bow down to Narad Muni with full respect. But this Nala Kuber and Manigriva, वो मदहोश है. और नारद मुनि इतने महान संत आ रहे हैं सामने, दे डोंट गिव एनी रिस्पेक्ट टू नारद मुनि, ऐसे ही पड़े हुए पानी में. एंड देन नारद मुनि लुक्स एट देम एंड ही टेक्स पिटी ऑन देम. नारद मुनि इज नॉट समबडी हु इज गोइंग टू गेट एंग्री, बट ही टेक्स पिटी ऑन देयर कंडीशन कि अरे तुम देवताओं के इसमें तुमने जन्म लिया है, उनका भक्ति करके आगे निकलना है, तो तुम ऐसे मदहोश होके ऐसे पड़े हो नग्न अवस्था में. नारद मुनि देन गिव्स देम अ श्राप, जाओ तुम पेड़ बन जाओ. नग्न अवस्था में रहने का इच्छा है, पेड़ों को तो कपड़े नहीं होते हैं. सो हेंस इट इज सेड दैट वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल इन आवर ड्रेसिंग सेंस. If it is said that if we then look at this example, if people try to expose their body, then they are very likely candidates to become trees in their next life. And we see so many trees outside here. No surprises. So be very careful. This is from the Shastras. कपड़े कम पहन रहे जो लोग, वो पेड़ बन जाएंगे. कपड़े की जरूरत नहीं, ऐसे ही खड़े रहने का सालों सालों तक. So Narad Muni cursed them that you will become trees for many thousands of years. Okay. And then these people, they came to their senses, Manigriva and Nalakuber, and they begged for forgiveness कि माफ़ कर दो, गलती हो गया, अब से नहीं होगा, अब से हम भक्ति करेंगे, प्लीज़ हेल्प करो. But Narad Muni said, okay, I can't take the curse back, but you will get a moksha, you will get moksha from this tree body by none other than Lord Krishna. So Lord Krishna will personally come and he will deliver you. ऐसे बोल दिया, भगवान कृष्ण तुम्हें खुद आके मोक्ष देंगे इस पेड़ वाले शरीर से. So we all know there are 84 lakh species of life, है ना. पद्म पुराण में आता है जलजा नवलक्षाणी स्थावर लक्ष विंशति पक्षिनाम दशलक्षाणाम, है ना, many different types, but we don't have time to go all of this. So one of the species is the tree, and that is what is happening here. So Krishna, what he does, he sees the tree, and then what he does, he crawls along with the wooden grinding motor, and he goes between those two trees, and he places the wooden grinding motor in such a way that it is stuck between the two trees, and he just gives a tug, a push, थोड़ा सा धक्का देते हैं तो दो पेड़ जो इतने विशाल पेड़ है वो गिर जाते हैं. गिर जाके धड़ाम से आवाज होता है. ह्यूज नॉइज इज क्रिएटेड बिकॉज ऑफ द फॉलिंग ऑफ द ट्रीज. एंड उसमें से कौन आए दो बाहर, ये Manigriva and Nalakuber. They come out and then they offer their prayers to Krishna. बहुत प्रार्थनाएं करते हैं. और ये सब कौन देख रहा है? All the gopas around who are similar age of Krishna, they are all watching everything. क्या हुआ? And so these Nalakuber and Manigriva, they come offer prayer. Krishna says, okay, now you may go. And say they go away. And the gopas, all the gopasakas have seen. In the meanwhile, because of this commotion, noise, Nanda Baba, Yashodama, Nanda Baba was the first to arrive on the scene along with various Brajavasis. इतना जोर से आवाज आया, कुछ तो हुआ, कृष्णा को कोई और राक्षस पकड़ के लेके गया, क्या हुआ? तो भाग भाग के आए. And then they see these two trees down and Krishna is still tied to the wooden grinding motor. And Nanda Baba immediately comes and he unties Krishna and he takes him in his arms. And Krishna is tightly hugging Nanda Baba. And then other gopas, Nanda Baba is asking बाकी सब छोटे बच्चों को, अरे क्या हुआ इधर? And they said, कृष्णा ने ना दो पेड़ को गिरा दिया. कृष्णा just he tugged the trees. These two trees fell down and from them कोई देवी देवता जैसे दो लोग आए. वो कृष्णा को प्रणाम किया, कृष्णा के पैर छुए, प्रार्थना करी और फिर गायब हो गए. And Nanda Baba is looking at all these small kids and say, ये लोग सब बना रहे हैं हम लोग को. तुम्हारा तबीयत ठीक है ना? इतना बड़ा पेड़ कृष्णा कैसे गिराएगा? So but then they said, okay, कुछ तो हुआ है. Anyway, and so Krishna, so today is the day when all of this happened. Damodar Leela pastime happened. Nalakuber and Manigriva were released from their curse. And then Yashodama also comes, but Krishna, when he looks at Yashodama, he just turns his head away and he further hugs his father Nanda Baba. And then Yashodama is feeling very sad that she has tied Krishna this way. So then she comes again to Krishna and then she takes him in his lap and she feeds him milk and they're very very happy again. So this is the pastime of Damodar Lila in very very short, एकदम बहुत fast में किया मैं. Otherwise this Damodar Lila pastime can go on for 4 or 5 days. Our Acharyas has given so many deep purports for everything and the katha is very deep. It is there in the Srimad Bhagavatam, so one can read. I think it is also there in the Krishna book, so you can also read there. So श्री श्री यशोदा दामोदर भगवान की जय, श्री श्री राधा दामोदर भगवान की जय. तो आज के दिन हुई दिवाली की कथा. तो it is a true fact I was contemplating. So can somebody tell Rishabhanu that we need to do Damodar Ashtakam? Oh, children class में उसको बोलो. We need to start Damodar Ashtakam. I'm ready because some people may have to leave. So hence the rush. So I was contemplating this Damodar Leela in Diwali. We only started worshipping Damodar only after I came to the Sangat of ISKCON and ISKCON devotees. Otherwise हम दिवाली में सिर्फ लक्ष्मी पूजा करके चुपचाप बैठ जाते हैं. ये किसी ने बताया ही नहीं था. मैं तो बॉम्बे से हूँ, महाराष्ट्र से हूँ. तो मेरी संगत में जो लोग थे, the people that I know, no one told us, because even they did not know, even my parents did not know. But it is such a nice, it is given in Srimad Bhagavatam. हमारे पुराणों में है, हमारे स्क्रिप्चर्स में है ये, और हमको पता ही नहीं है. So it is very important that we convey this story to our children, to the next generation, that we must worship Damodar. So today when people will do Lakshmi Puja, who is the real Lakshmi? Srimati Radharani. She is the topmost Lakshmi. And so if we worship Krishna, if we worship Srimati Radharani, then all auspicious things will automatically happen. Aram se hoega. So today one of my Pujari colleagues, he called me and he said, Prabhu, Shayana Arti today. And I said, no, I have to go for my Bhakti Vriksha program. Sorry, I cannot do. And he was like, no, I have to go out somewhere. There is some program. And I said, you're the most luckiest person today, because this Lakshmi Puja is supposed to be, let's say, between 9 and 10. And that is the time you are in the altar. Lakshmi Puja का मुहूर्त जो है, उस समय तुम altar में हो. And you are going to offer आरती to the topmost Lakshmi, Srimati Radharani, direct. You are in the most auspicious place in Melbourne, जो 4x5 का रूम है. ऑल्टर के अंदर तुम साक्षात राधा रानी के सामने खड़े होंगे और तुम 9:15 को you will offer the lamb, because that's the sequence. By 9:10 you will start offering the lamb to Radha Rani. You are the most luckiest person in Melbourne today. If I could have swapped my service with you, I could have immediately come. But today I have a larger seva of coming here and doing the Damodar Katha. So this is equally glorious for me. So yes, so between 9 and 10, we will glorify Srimati Radharani. Alright? Okay, let's get ready for Damodar Ashtakam. And I will project the